Rose Oatley,
and today we're going to be cooking a creamy mushroom Parmesan chicken dinner. You're really going to love this one, so go grab your phone and take a quick pic of all of your ingredients.
Alright, first we're going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil to a pan. You want to add your chicken thighs to your pan. Next, we want to go ahead and add some salt to your taste. And I'm going to also be adding some pepper and some garlic powder. Go ahead and flip them over. And we want to add the same spices to the other side. Go ahead and cook our chicken breasts until they're done. If you cover them up, it'll start cooking quicker. Just make sure to flip them over a few times until they're done. Once your chicken is done, and the way to check is just cut through the middle. If it's no longer pink, then it's done. You want to go ahead and transfer it temporarily to a separate plate. Okay, so to the same pan, I'm going to add 1 generous tablespoon of garlic. And we want to get this mixed in. And add our mushrooms. We want to just give this a quick mix. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of basil.
You want to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of butter.
Let that melt and saute with the mushrooms. So now I'm going to add my chicken bouillon powder packet. If you have a cube, that'll work too. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're just going to mix this in with our mushrooms.
Add 3/4 cup of heavy cream and 3/4 cup of milk. If you don't have any heavy cream, then just substitute it with a total of 1.5 cups of milk.
Add 2 cups of baby spinach. Get this mixed in until the spinach wilts. Right, now you want to add about 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese into the mixture. And we want to get this all mixed in and let it simmer on low heat for just a couple minutes. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and add your chicken back into the pan and let it simmer with the sauce. And go ahead and drench your chicken in sauce. And you'll want to add the remainder of your Parmesan grated cheese on top. Cover this and let it simmer for a couple minutes. So now we just want to take some parsley and sprinkle some on top. You can be generous. Let it cook for a couple of minutes and it'll be done. If you'd like, you can add a little bit more pepper on top. Voila. For your sides, you can cook 2 bags of Uncle Ben's brown rice, which is pretty easy. You just boil in water
For 10 minutes. And here you have it. Serve it with some broccoli and your favorite drink. Enjoy.
If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below.